I really appreciate that we had this gathering for Parish Pastoral Councils to try to help in understanding how important they are and how we can make them better.
I'm Olivia.
And I'm Ella, and we're from Holy Rosary.
My name is Jeanette Chai, and I go to St. Nicholas Parish.
My name is Damer Stepanovic, and I've been a long-time parishioner at St. Ignatius Parish in Winnipeg.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Gerald from Our Lady of Victory Memorial Parish, South Osborne in Winnipeg.
Hi, my name is Father Peter Nemchik, and I am the pastorate of St. Nicholas Village Church in Winnipeg.
My husband and I joined the parish 2 years ago, and what it means to me is that it just feels nice to have a home, and I just, why I want to serve the parish is because I don't want to feel like a visitor in my own parish. So I want to make sure that whatever gifts God has given me, I can use that to do what I can for my own home here.
I think for us serving in parish, it's exciting to bring young perspectives to church leadership.
Yeah, and just educate the younger generation and help them grow within their faith.
And find their path.
And find their own path, yeah.
One of the things I realized is that one can be involved with work, collecting a paycheck, but true satisfaction doesn't come from the paycheck. It comes from serving others. And one of the ways I've decided to serve others is through my parish.
You know, and part of being on PPC, or an important part of that is because I want to give back. God gave me gifts, I got to do something with them. And so this is my way of giving back and letting the parish know and helping the parish grow. Because without my parish growing, how am I going to grow? And so with the parish grows, I grow.
Well, it's very important for me as a pastor that people are involved and that they serve the parish. So taking an ownership, because then we are more invested in this and we care for things that we are invested in.
It's not easy to have a good parish council. We really have to build it up, invite new people, pray about who has gifts that we could really use in leadership. And it can vary in ages. We might have an 85-year-old that is really helpful, and we might have a 15-year-old who is especially gifted to be able to bring something. So that we have that sense of how to build up our parish councils. Really, our parish pastoral councils are such an important part in the leadership in a healthy way throughout our archdiocese.
My dream is just to have more people in the parish that are excited to come to church and to feel like they can also contribute. So just for it to grow, that's all.
My dream would be that we can first re-evangelize the community, and then we ourselves as the people of God and the priests can become an evangelizing and missionary community to the people around us.
I think we just want our church to be a welcoming space that everyone feels kind of united when we're in Mass together.
Yeah, and make sure everyone feels welcome and safe.
I really wish that our parish would create a truly inclusive parish, and that means that we have relationships with elders within the parish, young families, and more importantly, I think it's very important that all parishes reach out to young people.
My dream from our parish, or for almost any parish, is that we can all say hi to each other on a first name basis, because we know each other and we are one church, and we're not just strangers in a pew, and we know each other's lives, what's going on, we pray for each other. And I think that would reflect itself if we all knew each other by a first name basis.